What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my reviews. JESIMAIK, I don't know, however you pronounce it. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it. Comes in already a flimsy, very flimsy case. Something like this should come in a heavy-dutier case. So manufacturer, please make your customer happy. Make a nice case, not just these flimsy hinges. These are very, very cheesy plastic. Very, very not good. So case is total trash. I mean, I wouldn't even use the case for anything. You get two batteries, 4,000 milliamp hour batteries. You get some sockets in here. You get a charger, and you get the tool itself, brushless. You guys, in comparison to my Dewalt, but this is 3/8 inch drive versus 1/2 inch drive. This little guy, same size, but it is 1/2 inch drive. It's got a light right there on the bottom, forward, reverse, and on the bottom here, let's close the light. You can basically do your modes, whether you're doing the hammer drill. How do you do the modes? Okay, I just know how you do your modes. Full blast. Let's see what this does. I just did it with the 3/8 off camera. It did it. 2 bolts, or 2 nuts, I mean. Okay, it struggles just like my Dewalt struggles. I mean, struggles but doesn't struggle. I mean, it does get it done. The batteries are fully charged. And that's it. Let's get this wheel off. There we go. So in comparison to a Dewalt, it does the job. Same thing as a 3/8 will do. But this is 1/2 inch drive. Case is flimsy. You do get a charger. Lithium-ion batteries. We'll do a little more testing in the future. But for now, if you guys are looking to pick yourself up a budget-friendly 1/2 inch drive impact set, this would be something to consider. Time to torque them down. I got my plug in here, right there. So now these guys are going back on. That's it, boys and girls. Wheel is on. Full battery still. That's a good sign, right? Compact, 1/2 inch drive, impact socket. If you want to test one for yourself, link will be down in the description. Check them out. But the case, you know what I mean? The case is the only downfall. Case sucks, so you got to be prepared that you're going to get a flimsy case. Then you get a little bit of, what is this? A little bit of hardware. Some O-rings. You get a little bit of impact sockets, and they're all metric too, so that's good for my usability. Take care. See each other next time in another video.